Hello? I'm outside and I got a better video than last time. See, it snowed. Then the snow disappears. It just disappears in this circle. Like a crop circle. Well, that's because I made this. A Snow Angry Bird Seasons or whatever. Well, you can see the flying pig's not there because he's in a special location. And I'm wearing my Angry Birds hoodie with a mask so nobody can see me and recognize me. And I don't have a catapult yet, so I'm going to have to start doing it with hand again. Okay, let's see how many it takes. Go! No, I failed. Failed again. I don't think it's going to work. 2 birds left. Not one. No. Nothing. No, nothing. Oh! 2 right there. Just because the wind. Fluffy wind. What's up? That's because I have Plan B. And because Plan B is so awesome, I get to use it twice. Well, maybe 3 times. I failed. I'm gonna use the blackbird. Oh yes. See, they're dead. They're dead. Still got the blackbird. Just 2 pigs. Oh, yeah. And just one left. And I got it. It took me a while, but I got it. And there it is, destroyed. Got them all. See? There they are. All dead. But now I have to go get the flying pig, and he's in a special location. You can call it the golden egg level, because it's somewhere different. There he is, just flying. Well, he ain't going to be flying. I got him! I win! 1 star, because I really sucked. Okay, that's it.